Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super easy Christmas cupcake decorating idea, turning a flake chocolate bar into a Yule log. So to begin with, I rolled out some white sugar paste to about 5mm thick. Just going to make sure that it's not stuck to the board before I cut out a circle. I'm just going to gently pick it up and smooth off any edges that need smoothing. And then as this is snow, I'm just going to gently round off the sides of the disc. Okay, so now I've got my chocolate bar and I've trimmed it to be just a little bit smaller than my white disc that I've made. And now I'm just using the flat end of a teaspoon to mark in some bird footprints, so like some robin footprints. I hope you can see that there. So I'm just going to do the other one. So there are our bird footprints in the snow. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of sparkle using Sugar Flare's finishing sparkle, and that'll just make the snow glisten. So I'm just going to spray that on, and then I'm just going to lift it up so hopefully you can see that sparkle. And then I'm just going to pop that to one side while I just dust the top of the chocolate bar with some icing sugar. So now I'm going to make the holly leaves using some green sugar paste which are rolled out, just checking that it's not stuck to the board before using my holly plunger cutter. So I'm just going to push that through the sugar paste, move it around to make sure there's clean edges, press down to get the vein of the holly leaves, and then press again to pop the holly leaves out. Okay, so now I'm just going to stick the holly leaves onto the chocolate bar using some melted chocolate. So I've just melted some chocolate chips in the microwave. And I'm just going to pop the leaves on there. And now I'm just using some clear alcohol to pop 3 small balls of red sugar paste onto the holly leaves for berries. As I said, I'm using clear alcohol, but you could also use an edible glue if you like. So now I'm just painting some of the melted chocolate onto the bottom of the chocolate bar, and this will help it stick to the white sugar paste disc that we made earlier. So just so you know, I'll put a link to everything that I've used in the description, and that is your chocolate log cake topper made. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to check out my other ones. Please comment, like and subscribe for more, and hit that notification bell. Merry Christmas!